Hey guys, Tyler again with Airstream of Utah. Right now we are going to show you the RV Class B Atlas. It is such a cool RV, a lot of fun, but I'm going to show you around the outside first. It is on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3500, so plenty of power, tows up to 5,000 pounds. We actually have a lot of customers that will tow like a little 16-foot Airstream behind it, or bring along their, side-by-sides, four-wheelers, things like that. Let me take you around to the driver's side. So it is not in the slide-out configuration, but it does have a little bit of a slide-out for the bed. And then throughout, we do have some storage underneath. And then over here we have our hookup areas, water, 50 volt, everything you're going to need there. One thing the Atlas does not have, it does not have a trunk area. This is all solid here. The reason is they actually put a full-size bathroom in it. So let's run you inside and show you that. Oh, one last thing on the outside, really cool automatic awning. It doesn't have any bars that come down, so your view is totally free. And it also has a wind protection on it. So if it gets super windy, it's going to automatically close for you. And as we go inside, this is our Luxe white version. So I do want to show you what happens when it slides out here. So the slide, oh wait a second, it's kind of loud, huh? Alright, so when the slide out's out, we do have a spot here for a little table. Let's put that in really quick just to show you. You also have one right here, and there is 2 legs and 2 tabletops, so you can have them both up at the same time. It swivels around. Nice little place to eat, watch some TV. In fact, let me show you this. Nice 50-inch TV. Press of a button, and it comes right up. Pretty fun. And as you're going down the road, 2 people can sit on this couch. Great to watch TV if you have some kids, play some video games. Great way to travel. A lot of people take these across the country. I'm going to take this off. And to store these, there's a little spot right underneath here. Now I want to show you how this bed configuration works. Well, first off, when you are sitting here, you can have a nice lounge, pop your feet up and chill. And then to lay out the bed, it actually has a Murphy bed, but we do need to lay this flat first. We take these cushions off. And then there's a little lever here on the side of the bed, or excuse me, the couch. Pull that, and that pulls right down. And it's kind of a modified queen mattress, as compared to the Interstate, our other RV we do, where it just all comes together and you don't have an actual mattress. Super comfortable. When you do pull that down, you have some storage behind here and a window. And also on the outside, it does have another awning to shade that window for you. I am going to pop that back up. Now, if you want to come over here, we have 3 control panels throughout the RV here. We have one here, one in the kitchen, and one in the bathroom. So from here, you can turn on all your lights at once, or if you go to the lights, do that individually. Check power, slide out your awnings, slide out your slide out, things like that. So it all can be controlled right here. Now, take you to the driving area. As you can see, this has been turned around. So if you are going down the road, you want to eat a little bit, there's a table that goes right here. And then of course, this just goes the normal way. Very comfortable, and it does this on the Mercedes. It has the air ride suspension. So they are such a dream to drive down the road. Very comfortable. The Atlas does only come in the 2-wheel drive. But the nice thing about it, it's the weight is so, what's the word I'm looking for?
Evenly distributed.
Evenly distributed. Thank you, Tiffany. And so it's, it's still great in snow, wet roads, things like that. Let me show you some of the storage the Atlas has. These all do lock, but you press that and that's going to pop open for you. Storage up top here. You do have some right above the driver area. This is where all your controls are, your levels, things like that. And then your a little more there, some connections. And then as we come over here in the kitchen area, we have a convection oven, so that means it acts as a microwave, but it also can do some baking. Nice size refrigerator with a little freezer, separate freezer underneath. And you actually have a pop-out little pantry storage. And then, do these quick. Good size sink here with a little trash pop-up. 2-burner stove, and then you'll notice you have another control panel right here to control everything with some storage here, and then some more over on this side, utensils, things like that. And it does have a little nice slide out to prepare some food right there as well. Now, as we come back to the bathroom, great bathroom here. We'll start with the closet. The closet is actually cedar lined, so if you want to bring your wool sweaters and wool suits along with you, with a nice hanging rack. This shelf does come out very easily, so if you want to hang clothes, and then there's a bunch of different positions you can put it at. And then you have some storage here on this side as well. And some drawers underneath. Put some folded clothes. Now it does have a great slide, so you have some privacy to change. Just runs off a magnet. Then you do have a little medicine cabinet above the sink here, with some storage underneath as well. As you can see, a full-size shower on a tankless water heater, so you can take a nice luxury shower. With a fantastic fan here up top, so take all the steam out for you. And really just keep some nice airflow when you're here in the bathroom. And then of course the toilet with a little bit of storage above. And that is the 2020 Atlas. Shut this off really quick. These do come in a few different colors, and we are planning on getting some throughout the summer as well as this one. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us again. Questions on Facebook, call us at 890-4363. And again, I always do private virtual tours, or if you're here in Utah and close, come down and check it out. We'd love to show you around. Thanks, guys.